Welcome to Nambardar TV. I am your host Naveed Ahmad. Today I am excited to explain Nambardar TV aims. Get ready to be entertained, enlightened and inspired. Nambardar TV brings you a world of content at your fingertips. Are you a fan of dramatic twists and heartfelt dialogues? Our Urdu segment offers an extensive collection of dramas, films and cultural shows, showcasing the brilliance of Pakistani talent. Prefer content in English? Stay globally connected with our news bulletins, insightful documentaries and exclusive shows. Craving something light and fun? Our entertainment section is packed with comedy sketches, music galas and celebrity buzz to keep you amused round the clock. If you seek spiritual enrichment, explore our Islamic content, featuring profound lectures, historical insights and documentaries that delve into the heart of Islamic culture. And for the history buffs, our historical category offers documentaries that uncover the rich tapestry of Pakistan's past. Join us at Nambardar TV, where diversity meets quality entertainment. Every category, a new adventure. Every show, a unique journey. Tune in and transform your viewing experience today.